So when you check in Meru Island, then you will get this small booklet where you will get all the details. So this is the island map, and in the next page you will get all the activities list. So here you will get all the that particular month activities, and apart from that they have provided all the details in this booklet. So from this scanning icon, you can download Meru app in your mobile phone, and from your mobile phone you can access the Meru Island all the activities. So here in this app, you will get the list of each and every activity of Meru. So from this app itself, you can book your water sports, you can book your romantic dinner, and here you will get all the special activities detail of that particular month. And even if there is any particular event in any of the restaurant and bar for that particular day or night, you will get the all details in this particular app. And for the sports activity, they have the special rate for the group. So if you are in the group of 4, 6 or 8 people, then you will get the special rates of all the sports activity. Also, you will get the daily event list in any particular bar or restaurant with the specific timing. And here we got a new room access card. So now we are going to our water villa. So we will go inside and we will show you our jacuzzi water villa. And you can see the water here. This is damn pretty than the beach villa. You can see people are enjoying here. So now okay. So in front of here only you will get all the things. Here is a mini bar. Then you will get all the equipment for the tea and coffee making, some water glasses and the water bottle. You will get everything here. So they have already shifted our luggage here. So this is the dressing area where you can get ready. Here you have a big mirror. They have also provided some bathrobe and the life jacket in this wardrobe. Wow, this is so pretty. So this is our jacuzzi water villa. I really like this part of this villa. This is so beautiful, and here they have also provided one big umbrella which you can use to avoid the sunlight. So now we will open our jacuzzi and will show you. So this is so beautiful. Here you can simply enjoy your drink sitting in water. So in front of jacuzzi there is a big bathroom. So after spending a time in jacuzzi, you can take your bath here in this bathroom. So in this bathroom also they have provided all these stuff, and this is quite big than the beach villa. And from here also, from room also, you have the door to, you can go from anywhere. And this is our beautiful bedroom. So they had decorated our bedroom because it's a honeymoon freebie package, so they provided some decoration. So if it's your honeymoon or anniversary, so you need to mention it in advance and they will provide the service accordingly. Again a beautiful message. Hello Mrs. Kanojia, welcome to room 310. And this is the wine bottle, so it's covered under the honeymoon freebie package. So if you mention it's a honeymoon or anniversary, so they will provide these stuff to you in your room. And here they have also provided the fruit and the chocolate basket. And now I will show you the most beautiful part of this villa. Wow, so this is so beautiful. There is an amazing view in front of your bedroom, and you can see the blue water everywhere. This place is so relaxing and no one want to go back from here. And these villas are designed in such a way that your privacy won't get disturbed. And in each water villa you will get these stairs to go down in water. If you are going down in water, then you can take a shower here in stairs. Sitting here and enjoying the night view of the beach is just a fabulous feeling. Here they have given some precautionary advices. So the woods which are using to make these villa are imported from the Switzerland, and it comes with the warranty from 15 to 100 years, and that's the reason even if in the water these woods are not spoiling. We also have the same question like how these woods being in water are not spoiling, and hence we asked them and we got this answer from them. View from the hair is just amazing. When you open your eyes in the morning and from your bed itself you can see this beautiful blue water. This is the view from the front door of our villa. This is the evening view of the water villa, and you can see this view is just amazing. Sky is just above this water villa, and I think everyone should must visit this place once in a lifetime. So in front of every villa they provide this water to wash your feet while coming back from the sea. And on 20th October it's International Cheers Day, and they had a special theme on their restaurant for this, and the quote message is healthy food for the future, and they decorated it very nicely. And this is the night view of the island. The night view of island is also very fabulous. So in the reception area itself, there is a shop for the shopping of unlimited items. So it's open. So let's go inside.
What is this?
Secret magnet. And there is lots of variety in this.
Are you buying something?
Yeah, definitely.
Which one?
See, actually I like this one, and I'm thinking to buy this. And here is also lots of variety. So you can choose any. In this island, every day and night they have the different activity in their different restaurants and bar. And today they had the music night at this bar. And this is the night view of the water villa. Night view of this villa is also amazing. You can see the simple dim light. So you can enjoy walking hand in hand with your partner under this beautiful sky. So this swimming pool is just few steps away from our water villa, and sea is just in front of this swimming pool. In every swimming pool there is a bar where you can order your favorite drinks. So if you are planning a trip to Maldives, then you can definitely consider Meru Island. Their hospitality is very good and their food is just delicious, and the view and the surrounding is also amazing. So you can definitely book Meru Island for your upcoming Maldives trip. So finally, it's our last night in Maldives. So we are enjoying our last dinner.
Awesome experience.
So if you want to experience this luxury in Maldives, so you need to come here and you need to experience it at own. So we have received this final letter from the resort where they have mentioned like we need to keep our luggage outside the door. There they have provided our speedboat check-in time, and also we need to settle our final bill at the reception counter. So guys, after 5 days of stay in Maldives, now we are finally leaving and it's time to bid goodbye to Maldives. Actually, we don't want to go, but you know, budget and time is a constant. So now we are going to have our breakfast and we kept our luggage outside. So now we will do our settlement of final bill. So let's go. And this is our last breakfast at Meru Island. As we already mentioned, their food is just amazing. So we are enjoying this last breakfast. So now finally we are going to sit on our speedboat.
Yeah.
So bye bye Mallet.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Allow me to give you a short briefing about the boat. So this one.